kind of cold. Oh, yeah. Too cold. Just a little bit, you know. Just a little bit cold, but that's okay, right? Give me a little cold. You can see my reaction more. Nehemiah's reaction. Because he likes to be filmed. Right? Okay, I'll film myself more. See, it's just a roll. It's not very deep either. See how the water sounds on the camera when it's going off. Who knows? It's probably gonna sound funny. How much footage I can get of this before it gets boring. Probably. Yeah. If you don't watch it, then you get the water.
Well, there's kind of like a hazard to it.
Yeah, but if you don't... Good. Kind of.
It's kind of hard to time it.
Yeah.
Jumping off the bottom and
But it's fun. I probably should have grabbed my straps or my glasses to go in the water. I didn't think about that. I have them in the bag though. Yep. For sure, I'm gonna need the straps.
Is there any size that don't have a lot of stairs?
I don't know.
One doesn't want to go in.
Any that have stairs?
what?
You said any that have stairs?
I'm scared to go up.
Any of them? Yeah, these ones are a little bit shorter over here.
You go on the tube, so.
There's a family lap ride that's pretty easy to get to too. I think I'll have to go grab the glasses straps then. Because they don't like it when I go underwater for a second and they fall off. But I bought them for that, so you can probably go grab that. Yeah, I'll go grab it. And take my shoes back. Off for now. Too close. Butthole. Yeah. Makes it sound like. I think it might be part of the wave pool thing too. Hear random screaming. Display. Yeah. Now let's see if they. Yeah. I had water shoes here before, but they kind of fell apart, so I can't use them anymore. I guess they give out after a while.
Yeah, I don't know where you can get actually good ones.
Yeah.
I bet it did.
We could go down these. The laces. You like the sound effect for it? Yeah.
Thanks for visiting us today. For the safety and health of everyone, masks will be covering your mouth and nose are required when indoors. Wash your hands often and cover your mouth and nose.
Let's see if they're coming this way. Yeah, you want to go down this little one? I don't think it's that far of a climb to do that. Oh, that guy didn't make it to past the end. Oh. That was interesting. Yeah, there's a Lazy River. To swim or board a tube, it says. Oh boy. Well, there's one tube and there's tubes up here. I guess we can walk to the other ones. Are these for? Well, this one's a smaller one. That's for. I was like, I realized that one's smaller. Maybe we'll have to wait for. I don't see another one. Oh well. I'll catch up to those two over there. There's two over there. Yeah, I think we'll catch that one. Let's see, I'll spin one back that way. And I'll grab this one. Yeah. This one's upside down. Yeah. See if I can get on without falling over. Oh.
I didn't get you.
Yeah, I'm trying to go forward. It does, but I think they may have it turned off right now. Because I don't see it working. I'm trying to go faster and I don't seem to be gaining anything. I said I don't seem to be gaining much. Oh well, you know. Just show me going down and deliver, right? Probably too close. Yeah. Faster, faster. Well, this is a great video, right? Showing a lot of leaves. Get away from the side. Here we go. Here's the wet bar.
Okay.
Yeah, fun, right? Everybody says it's fun.
Yeah, they go to that top
Good
one.
views, right?
What?
That one looks fun though.
Scary.
The other one.
Do not swing your boats. Okay, we
I'm
won't.
gonna do that one once, just to say I did it.
There's summit
The one
plummet.
that's way up there?
Yeah,
They don't even look like anybody's doing it.
well you can.
Yeah, it doesn't happen a lot, but I don't think it's really busy, you know.
Where do you go?
Look at all
I
that.
see you go.
You go up the stairs.
No. I'm talking
You go
about
down here, see this line?
the skating slide.
Yeah.
It goes down right here.
That's it?
Yeah.
It looks so
Right here.
skinny.
What?
That looks
Oh, skinny? Yeah, it
Yeah.
kind of is. It kind of has to be.
So
Has
you
to
go
keep-
down there and then you turn it. I mean, that is scary.
It's cool though, right?
Goes over
Yeah.
the edge
It's a
there.
good view of that. Oh, that was funny. You like how the skis look like they're underneath you? Like you're on a ski resort.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Yeah. Too close again. This one's too...
Have you gone on that one?
What?
You got on
Yes,
that one?
I've gone on that one.
You didn't like it?
I am not a fan of
Please
speed
remain
slides.
seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
What?
What kind of slide?
Speed slides. That's what that
Okay.
kind is called.
Yeah, but I have to do
It's
it
meant
once.
for speed.
It's a huge one.
Do you get burned?
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
It hurts me. I felt like I was hurting
Yeah, I'm running.
after it.
Looks like I'm going to come out maybe.
That's just good once you go eventually.
Yeah, Kaylee will probably. She might. She was like, it looks bigger than I thought. I'm like, yeah, it kind of is big.
You can't record it. Maybe.
But we didn't go on this the last time we were here because we had a 45-minute wait to get on this. To go up there, so we're like, nope, we're walking. Because we weren't going to wait no 45 minutes to go up here. Well, it says ski training area. I think it's a kid area. It's got like little things in there, little jungle things. But they also have the Tykes Peak over that away.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Why you want the thing over there?
Yeah.
You like those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty fun.
What kind of scary is this, though?
Usually like this well, this thing hurts.
Well, yeah, they have a bar there.
Yeah.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Oh, really? Little frog. This is for little kids, though. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, missed the timing of it. But there's a stairway. You gotta go up if you don't use this. There's a kid slide area, I think they want kids to go on it. I'm not 100% on the rolls over there. On these ones. Yeah, it's not bad for a little slide. Yeah. Look how cute that thing looks from here, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you just yeah. I like that door that goes somewhere in here.
It says no entrance.
What? Yeah. Got all these cool rocks by it. Makes a cool effect, right?
That is so fast.
I couldn't even see them.
Yeah, because they were covered in the water. You like how
I
steep
don't
it
think
goes?
Kayla's gonna want to do that to see the people do it.
Yeah, she was. I think so. I think you're right. She looks a little like,
I just have to do it though.
Okay.
We're almost to the top.
Myself.
Almost.
I want to do it on my own.
Prepare to unload. Look at all that cool details, the little icicles in there and stuff. Visibility 20 miles. Snow is wet.
I don't think it doesn't matter until
Is
they get
snow
up there.
wet?
Because they're not hitting your feet if you don't leave your feet.
Please raise the feet. Please unload here.
You guys alright?
Well, maybe. I'm trying to
I made it. That's the important part.
Safe ride, lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. Wait for the lifeguard to give you the all clear, then start sliding, keeping your hands and feet inside the slide. As soon as you reach the bottom,
This is the one that we're going to go on right now, though.
by the way, anybody there under 40
What?
salt?
No, I don't know. Did they say that? Let's see.
Can take a trip down the Steamboat Spring. Trust me, it's awesome.
What? Okay. Should we go? What?
Make sure you ride down.
What, an avatar thing? Back up.
All clear. Thank you.
Water features over here. Ooh. Yeah, it's cold like the sign says. Yeah. That's the backside of Everest. On the, yeah, I never paid attention to the backside. Not so cool, right?
If you'll be sliding down Summit Plummet or Slush Country, for a safe ride, lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. Wait for the lifeguard to give you the all clear, then start sliding.
When you think you snow, think show back. Maximum of 6. Yeah. Maximum of 6.
How many? 3? 4?
5 of us.
Mommy number 6. Mommy!
6 or 5, come on up.
I'm too hungry for that.
Hop on it, make sure everyone's facing the side and hold it on to those hands.
You gotta hold on to the hand rails, they said. Yeah, you ready for this?
There is a handle right under her.
Wait.
Oh, it's like a conveyor.
There's one down
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
One down here.
That's how we go. Down that way. Not too bad. Okay.
I didn't even look where this goes.
Here we This is a There we go, we're gonna go through the cave. Okay, it's not actually a rock. Oh, the cave water, ice, snow. Bet you can't see it though. This is funny, don't sunrise. Look at all of these rocks over here. It's for that. It's well, that's why we can't find any. They're all over here. And they got the double ones too. Yeah, come over to this side. This one. That's the next favorite thing from my mom's favorite thing. Stairs. What? There's an open slide and an enclosed one. You can pick which one. Oh, she might be checking it out. She might not be going now. I don't know. Did she decide not to? Because of the stairs or what? So the two different lines here. Enclosed and open one. Well, maybe it would be too much. There's a lot of stairs because I'm still going up them. Whew. Whew. Stairs. More stairs. More stairs. Oh. Takes a while to get up to the top. So look, they just keep going. Oh, look, and more. Oh. Oh boy. It's a lot of stairs. And now they're slippery stairs. Why did they make the stairs all slippery? Yeah, we're almost there. Keep busy. You see a 15-minute wait?
Grab the green light.
Okay. Not too bad, right? Not really, right? Yeah, but it is fast. I'll say that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now it's going faster. Oh yeah, that's fast. Oh, that is fast. There we go. Yeah, not bad. Let's see, where did it come from? Hey, we're here.
Welcome back, guys. I'll let the stairs. Pass that blue umbrella.
You want to do a different one? Have them? I guess you're probably right. You probably want to like that many stairs. You want to do another one? You want to do another one of the different ones? Okay.
That was so fast.
Second one enclosed. Which one is enclosed?
For a safe ride on the rapids, and hold on to the handles with both hands. And then to the bottom, like swimming to the stairs. Careful, strong turn.
Alright, I should go down the middle one. Yeah, okay.
For a safe ride on the rapids, remain seated and hold on to the handles with both hands.
Step on the blue feet. You have the green light, so you can sit down and go.
Okay. There we go. Let's see how much it actually sees besides the white pedestrian seat. Or I don't know if you can see anything. Definitely not there. Interesting. It's really dark. Yeah. Really dark. Oh boy. There's the room. So I just keep flashing the light. Oh, it's interesting. Oops. Hit the camera. Oh. Oh, yeah. The enclosed one is crazy. Closed one is the crazy. Did you do the?
Hey, you're not gonna do the thumbs again?
What? Someone? Yeah.
And hold on to the handles with both hands. As soon as you reach the bottom, please exit by swimming to the stairs. Be careful with the strong turn. For a safe ride on the rapids, remain seated and hold on to the handles with both hands.
There we go. Oh, this one was semi-fast. I don't know if it's fast. Probably the same as the one on the left. The one on the right. We can compare speeds. I don't know. Time it took me to get down. That's how I do speed. Fun place. Nothing to speed you up on what this fun place. Oh, that's flat. Because it didn't, I was stopped. I mean, you were coming at me. That's a good stop. You were coming at me. You have to record. So I'm going to show the details of these things. Avalanche. We have to pick up the. You want to go to the toboggan one? Let's go that one. Yeah.
I think that's still the one that you would
Lie on your stomach on the sled. Hold on with both hands.
We're going this way?
Bottom of the slide. Switch to the stairs. Be careful with the strong current. Have a great ride. Hold on with both hands.
So they want to leave?
Bottom of the slide. Switch to the stairs. Be careful with the strong current. Have a great ride.
For a safe ride, lie on your stomach on the toboggan and hold on with both hands. When you reach the finish line, push down on the handles to come to a complete stop. Have fun on the
He's gonna
slope.
race. He's gonna win.
For your safety, lie on your stomach on the sled and hold on with both hands. When you reach the bottom of the slide, switch to the stairs. Be careful with the strong current. Have a great ride.
Whenever your light's green, you can go. So lay it down, go to the slide. And on number 3, you can go.
If I can go. little bit weird. A little bit of stairs there too. Gotta go over here. No, I don't have to.
Ready, hold tight.
Yeah, he could go with. So you want to go next? So do you want to go next? Wait. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Thanks for visiting us today. For the safety and health of everyone, masks only covering your mouth and nose are required when indoors. Wash your hands often, cover your mouth and nose as often as breathing. Thank you for your cooperation.
Yeah, it's really fast. Secluded overlook thing. Oh, interesting. Not that way. So reserved it. Well, I guess you got on it pretty fast. Dragonfly. Oh, I'm moving away from that. It's too hot. Oh. There. How do they get down? Oh boy. Oh, that's a great waterfall.
Sliding down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher for a safe ride, lie flat on your back, arms and ankles crossed in front of you. Wait for the lifeguard to give you all clear, then start sliding, keeping your hands and feet inside the slide. The bottom, the side, easily. By the way, anybody there under 48 inches tall?
That was extended too. Observation deck. That's where I want to go. I thought it was blue.
will resume moving momentarily.
Kind of cool. Kind of. Weird view from underneath the thing. That's kind of cool. Waiting and get a picture of them when they come down. Wait. I'm going for the tunnel over here. Why are you still showing the screen? Yeah. Okay, fine.
We need to call you friend.
Sometimes.
Well, you're here.
Or princess for the little kids. Or, I forget what's that. I think just prince for the kids, for the boys, isn't it? See the cave drawings? I don't know if they show up on the camera very well. And we got pots and stuff. It's kind of cool. And then just a dark cave. Okay. Look at that. Down to that side. Nope. I guess I'm going right under it. Oh boy. It felt like ice cubes. Oh, that was cold. Did you go for the water, the super cold water? I guess that makes sense though, because it's supposed to be under an ice thing, but man, it is cold.
What are you trying to do? Oh,
Is that one cold too?
yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it was like. All that stuff. Snowman. He's here. Okay. Interesting. I don't know what all this cave drawings on the wall is. Well, I was trying to figure out.
Did you see the guy in the pool?
No. No.
Or is that the end?
Ow. What? No. There's another section we haven't been to yet that drops things on us.
Oh?
It drops a big amount of water. I think it's
fun?
just up here before the next one.
Climb that way and go around until we got back to the
But this
area.
is reindeer landing. It's reindeer landing. Because the reindeer land here. It's the snow making machine.
I didn't type for anything, so I tried it in there.
Lazy River wise? Maybe. But that cave was a lot colder than I thought. I did not expect that. I was like, oh, it's just gonna be like the other drops. And it's like, no, it's like icicles. What?
So it's crazy how fast you get dry here.
Yeah. It's pretty easy. You almost don't need a towel. You could just almost walk it off and
Yeah. I was pretty almost dry before I got in.
Okay, and now just because I'm going to spin it out.
What are you doing, man? They have the rock.
Yeah. Because it makes people dizzy if they watch the video back.
What if they watch me spit? And you spinning at the same time.
That'd probably be really weird.
Oh no. I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, see there, it's coming up. Gets wet? Oh, at the next section? There we go. What?
This is comfier than my neck pillow.
What are those? Here's the snow making machine. I don't know, that's been weird. Oh, and then there's a choice.